Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to clear search history on Temu. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the search bar at the top, guys. And from here, once you tap on the search bar, you should be able to see here your recently searched item. And from here, at the right side of the screen, you should be able to see here the delete icon. So just simply tap on the icon over here, the delete or the trash icon. And from here, guys, just simply tap on the X icon beside the word that you search. So I'm just gonna tap on X, X, X. And from there, guys, you should be able to clear your search history on Temu by just simply doing that. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.